You know, I married a Japanese woman, right?
Right.
So I kind of learned a little bit about them. They very serious.
Really?
Oh yeah, especially in Tokyo, they very serious. You got to be careful with jokes and stuff. And like, she learned to be funny after a couple of years of being with me. Then she started joking. Then she actually got pretty good. I'm like, damn, she started hurting my feelings a little bit. The fuck did I create? But she was good. I remember one time we was joking back and forth, and she was laughing. Then I made a joke about her dad, and she said, "Don't you talk about my father." I was like, damn, my bad. I thought we was joking. So they just take everything serious. They don't understand the concept of jokes. You know, our movies, our comedy movies don't go there to Japan. Just our action movies and stuff.
Interesting.
You didn't know that?
No.
Yeah.
Makes sense, though. But they just, a different culture.